Hey y'all family, how y'all doing?
I woke up, look in the mirror like
Me and the mirror
still continue to fall.
So we finally clocked 1,000 subscribers and my glasses. Like damn, I was hoping this would be in August, but you guys decided to surprise me, like to make it a kind of a new month, a new beginning by clocking at 1K today being the 1st of September. First of all, happy new month to you guys. So today being the 1st of September, we finally or officially clocked 1K subscribers. I mean, just on 1K subscribers, we clocked 1K, and I can see as I can. This is past 3. And as I'm looking at my subscribers now, it's about 108, sorry, 1,008. That's extra 8. All right. So I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you for always subscribing and always liking my videos. You know, I'm so happy, and I always want to bring the best to you guys, and I'll continue to bring the best. So I promise you guys much more greater and greater content to you guys. All right. I had some collaboration video I was supposed to upload before now, but the video has some kind of hitch during editing. The voice was flowing differently from the audio because of the update was going on while the video was being recorded. So but I'm still going to try to drag that person here to make that video to teach you guys a lot. So as time goes on, I'll be dragging a lot of persons down here, and we'll be making a lot of videos just to make you guys learn a lot and to teach you guys a lot of things that will help you grow in every area of your life. So in this video, I'm so grateful we finally clocked 1K subscribers, and on my YouTube studio, I think the watch hour is officially 4K, but on the other side of the studio is still yet to be updated. So uh, while we wait for that to be updated, I'm grateful to you guys. And if this is the first time you're stepping across this channel and then you're seeing this video, please subscribe, join the family. We have a lot of amazing things to offer. We talk about businesses, we talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about forex, we talk about life hacks, we talk about everything that will help you design business hacks, whatever that will help you grow in your financial life. That's what we'll talk about on this channel. So be sure that you stay tuned, all right? And much more videos are coming up, so be sure that you stay tuned. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to convert your BTC to USDT on Binance, and it's a very simple process. All right, I'm just going to take you through the tutorial, and most people are wondering why I use mobile device to run some of this tutorial, and it's simple, and that's because most of the users here are mobile users. Most of the people here are mobile users. You use mobile phone. Everyone is friendly with the mobile phone, and very few are using laptops. So to make it easier, so most cases I try to make some switches to make both tutorial on both devices that you can understand, because if there's not much differences, but if there's any differences, the differences is just a very little one. So be okay with it. All right, if you don't understand anything, I can always make another video to make you understand. So let's look at converting BTC to USDT on Binance. It's a simple tutorial, so let's go through it right now. So right now, I just have to jump to her Binance account. Like click on Binance right now, and then when we are on Binance account, you must be sure that you're actually logged in. Like my account right here, I'm logged in. So there are actually two ways you can do this, and they can be done from you can either go through market or go through trade. So be sure of the way you are doing it. All right, there are two ways in between. There are two ways, and if you go through market this way, and let's say what we're talking about, converting BTC to USDT, and that's about just once you type, just need to type BTC at the top bar, BTC. You can see right there BTC slash USDT 10x. You can see right here BTC slash USDT 10x. Click on it, and once you hit it, all right, for me, I don't have any BTC right here, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. All right, so let's say we are converting BTC to USDT. So now what you're clicking on now is sell. Okay, sell. So now when you remove this from limit to market, and then now it means that you enter the percentage you want to sell here by 25%, 50%, 75% of the BTC you have, or 100% of the BTC you have. All right. So let's say I had BTC and then I hit 100%. All the amount of the BTC will be here, will just appear there. And once I hit sell, once that is done, and then I hit sell, within a microsecond, it is done. It will just show success. But now, if I hit it now, it will tell me, please enter a valid number, because I don't have any amount of BTC. So it's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. So if you have like USDT and you want to buy BTC, go through the same process. But this time around, you're clicking on buy, all right, and not sell. You're clicking on buy and not sell. And once you hit buy, you can see the button is green. You can see that if you're buying, it's telling you that you're buying BTC, and then you have to just hit 100% to be able to buy BTC with the USDT that you have on your account. So let's say you're going through the other process. There's this other process called the convert option right here, like you can see right at the top here, the convert. So let's say you hit that convert. All right, now you have BTC. Let's enter this part as USDT, and you can see the least amount you can convert right here. I think it's 20 USD. You see the least amount here you can convert is 20 USD. Okay, we are trying to convert BTC to USDT. All right, so the least amount here is 20 USDT. But while you're using the market wallet, you can convert as low as 10 USDT, but nothing below it. You can't go below, but you can go above 10 USDT. But here is the least is 20 USDT to 250,000 USDT. So if there was any coin here, just hit max or whatever the amount in BTC, and then it convert, and then that is done. It won't take anything for that to be done. So it's just as simple as that. So let me know if this was actually as educating to you as possible. And the reason why I have to make this short and simple tutorial is because most people make a lot of mistakes when it comes to all these things, and then they fumble, and then they lose money in it. So I don't want anybody to lose money. I don't want any of my subscribers to lose money for whatsoever the reason is. And I started uploading video officially from this month, September last year, and then I became really serious from January till now. And you guys have really done well by keeping up with the channel, subscribing, and here we are at 1K already. So I'm grateful to you guys. I'm grateful to God, and I'm grateful to you guys for subscribing. And if you're watching this video right now and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Always make sure you watch my video to the end, because I always have important things to tell you at the end of the video or within the video. So I don't just blab words. All the things I say are from experience, and if it's not from experience, it is from a well known or well researched source. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.